क्या आपके साथ कभी ऐसा हुआ है that you tried telling your parents that you're anxious and they have said बेटा और खेल इंस्टाग्राम रीले देखता रहे सारा दिन और just go and take a nap, you are sleepy, you have not slept well. Have you felt that? Let's be honest, our parents grew up in survival mode. ऐसा नहीं है कि उनको प्यार और केयर करना आता नहीं, उनके लिए प्यार और केयर की डेफिनेशन was never beyond control. They have always suppressed themselves. उन्होंने हर तरीके का वक्त देखा है, अमीरी भी देखी होगी, गरीबी भी देखी होगी, बहुत सारे चैलेंजेस थे बैक इन द टाइम. सो सब कुछ देखा है हमारे पेरेंट्स ने एंड दैट्स हाउ दे हैव लर्नड कि वो एक्सप्रेस कम करते हैं और सप्रेस ज़्यादा करते हैं, काम पे ज़्यादा फोकस करते हैं, खुशी पे कम फोकस करते हैं. जब उनको कोई बोलता था डिप्रेशन में है बच्चा तो उनको लगता था डिप्रेशन इट्स अ वेरी वेस्टर्न थिंग. So they never understood this, and they are absolutely not at fault because those were different times. We are expecting something from them which they never got, which they never saw, which they were never taught. Things were very different. When you tell your parents that you feel overwhelmed, their usual reaction is चिंता मत कर, सब ठीक हो जाएगा, सब कुछ तो है तेरे पास, रिलैक्स कर, सो जा जाके, wake up fresh, you will be fine. So understand, this is exactly how they know to care about you. Back in the days, डाइनिंग टेबल पे मेंटल हेल्थ जो था वो कभी डिस्कशन नहीं हुआ करता था. टुडे देयर आर पीपल टॉकिंग अबाउट मेंटल हेल्थ, थेरेपीज एंड सो मच मोर. सोच के देखो, उनके ज़माने में डिनर टेबल पे ये बात हो सकती थी, कभी हुई थी, कभी किसी ने की थी. आज भी जब हम करते हैं तो वो कहते हैं डोंट वरी, रिलैक्स, यू आर जस्ट ओवर थिंकिंग, you are just upset with something, talk to me about it. But for them, mental health always has been taboo. For them, mental health has always been the weakness. For them, mental health की बात जब भी होती थी लोग कहते थे चुप रहे, कोई सुन ना ले, क्या सोचेगा तेरे बारे में. क्या कभी जिंदगी में कोई आपको वो कुछ दे सकता है जो उसको कभी मिला नहीं? Can someone give you something that they never received? That's exactly our parents. They never got all of this because times were different. Not that our grandparents were different. Times were different, so they didn't get this. That is the reason that they don't understand certain emotions, certain feelings. For them, mental health is still something which is they can't really absorb. I come across a lot of people who can't even absorb that men can like men and women can like women. They know it, they know something's there, they are not willing to accept it. They must accept it. So हुआ क्या इससे that we have grown up masking our pain in other things. हम पढ़ते रहे, हम काम करते रहे, किसी ने हमसे ये नहीं पूछा कि तू फील कैसा कर रहा है. लोगों ने पूछा नंबर कितने आए, 12th कर ली, ग्रेजुएशन कर ली, आगे का क्या प्लान है. अरे एक बार तो पूछ लेते यार, तुझे कैसा लग रहा है, तू करना क्या चाहता है, वो किसी ने नहीं पूछा. सारा का सारा फोकस काम, achievements, studies. Nobody understood or asked their children कि बेटा what do you really want to do, how do you feel, why are you upset, what's bothering you, what you want to do in this life, what do you want from this life, what are your dreams, what are your aspirations. So nobody asked us this. Again, I will say that it is not fault of our parents. They were under equipped, they were emotionally less educated or not educated, and we carry a lot of emotional debt. That is why this generation lacks lot of worthiness for themselves. They are low on self-worth. But the good news here is that we have now understood. This generation of millennials, this generation of Gen Zs, they have understood this. What we need to do is that we don't need to pass it on to our future generation. It's sooner that we realize how important it is to have your mental health in place, how important it is to talk about it, and how important it is to cure it. Today, why therapists, healers, all these people, their businesses are booming? Because this generation is, I don't want to say what, but yeah, you get me. So understand, हमें ये दूसरी जनरेशन को पास आउट नहीं करना. We need to fix this. We need to talk to our children. We need to understand them, and we need to accept things, fix them. So if your parents don't get it, it's fine. You can help them. You can deal with it yourself. तुम्हें तो समझ में आ गई ना मेरे भाई, तो डील कर लो ना यार इसके साथ. Let's do it together. Go to a therapist. talk to somebody, a friend where you feel like safe, set your boundaries, क्या करना है और क्या नहीं करना. But the minute you feel that you're disturbed, you're overwhelmed, you're anxious, there is anxiety, there is depression, you feel lonely, you want to talk about something which you're not able to talk to anybody, please do these things. You will not only fix yourself, you will break the cycle. If your parents are not talking to you about it, perfect. You go and talk to them. Tell them this is what happens. This is how you feel. And this is how things are treated. Tell them what the world is doing. Tell them what's happening around the world. Show them what's happening around the world. Eventually, they will understand. Initially, maybe not, but eventually they will. And this is what you need to do. You need to do this with your children. If you are a parent now, start talking to your children. Start asking, how are you feeling? Get into the emotional intelligence part of it rather than mental intelligence. अपने बच्चे के इमोशंस को जितना अच्छे से समझोगे, his or her life will be so much better. So understand, if any of these symptoms are there, you need to get it fixed. अपने आप ठीक नहीं होंगे. One of my favorite and the best possible ways of dealing with this and healing yourself is journaling, meditating, and crying unapologetically. Do that. बिना किसी शर्म, बिना किसी भी हेजिटेशन के, खुल के रो, मेडिटेट करो, लिखो अपनी फीलिंग्स को. यू स्टार्ट फीलिंग बेटर इंस्टेंटली. If you like this content, my humble request, please subscribe to the channel. Share this with people who you think will need this. Until then, it's your friend, Sumit Kupchandani.